This NutriChef 14 inches extra large fry pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It offers a large cooking surface, perfect for families or anyone who loves to cook big meals. The non-stick ceramic coating is like a superhero against stuck food. It makes cooking and cleaning feel like a breeze, not a battle. The silicone handle on this NutriChef 14 inches extra large fry pan stays cool. It is a comfortable grip, so you can easily move the pan around your stovetop. Plus, the blue color adds a nice pop to your cookware collection. This pan is also stain resistant, which is a big win. Spills and splatters don't stand a chance. And cleaning up is truly easy. If you are looking for a reliable and spacious frying pan, the NutriChef 14 inches extra large fry pan is a solid choice. It's designed for everyday cooking, and the non-stick surface helps you cook healthier meals with less oil. This pan could become your new kitchen sidekick, always ready to help you create delicious dishes without the fuss. For anyone looking for a solid, everyday pan, the Wadillo non-stick frying pan skillet is a great choice. It's a fantastic addition to your own kitchen. Plus, it makes wonderful gifts for the chef in your life. Its convenient size is ideal for many recipes, and its durability ensures it will be a stock item for years. While it doesn't have a huge capacity like larger pots, its 10-inch size is perfect for daily meals. There is no legend to decipher. It's simply a well-made, reliable pan. Forget about sticky situations and enjoy easy cooking with this Wadillo nonstick frying pan skillet. Pros: ceramic coating, silicone handle, blue handle, stain resistant, easy to clean, professional. Home cookware, durable, even heating, cool touch handle. Cons: washing in small sinks, non-stick might degrade, ceramic coating lifespan, handle could feel bulky, silicone can get sticky, blue color might not match, potential for hot spots, aluminum base thin, not induction. Certain models features extra large 14-inch size, non-stick ceramic coating, blue silicone handle, stain resistant, easy to clean, professional cookware, durable construction, even heat distribution, comfortable, cool handle, food grade safe. This NutriChef 14-inch frying pan is extra large, giving you lots of space to cook. It has a non-stick ceramic coating, so food won't stick, and it's easy to wipe clean. The blue silicone handle stays cool when you're cooking and is comfy to hold. This pan is made to be tough and heat evenly, like the pans professional cooks use. And it's safe to use with food. This NutriChef 14 inches extra large frying pan is designed for home cooking. It has a non-stick ceramic coating and a blue silicone handle that stays cool. The pan is stain resistant and easy to clean. It's made to heat evenly and is durable. However, it might be hard to wash in small sinks. The non-stick might not last forever. And the ceramic coating also has a limited lifespan. The handle could feel big. The silicone might get sticky. And the blue color might not match your kitchen. There's also a chance of hot spots while cooking. And some people wonder if the aluminum base is too thin. Also, some models might not work on induction cooktops.